So this is my homework 7.5. Write a C++ language to control LCD by keypad. They have the four topics in my homework. The first one is text decryption. This assessment requires developing a C++ language for Arduino to read input for a 4-to-4 keypad and display the treasured key on a 7-to-2 LCD. The course functions are initialized and keypad and LCD detect printed keys on a keypad, display the preset key in real time on the LCD. The second is design and implementation. First, hardware setup. Keypad 4-to-4 max keypad key 1 to 9 and this and ABCD connector rolled pin to Arduino pin 9 this to the pin this and LED set to I2C LCD connect to Arduino's I2C pins. And the two is my data in the Arduino. So this is my radio, the home radio. You can see you have the put the pen, have this one. So the resistor and the detection one is interset after upload the code. The LCD displays place a key on the first row to press when any play 1 to this one is played on the keypad. The LCD clean to show the first row your place, and the second one is the placed key. The 3 right time operation which key place is direct insert and the LCD update immediately to show the new key. And last one is conclusion. Conclusion have the 3. First is take achievement. The program successfully achievement return keypad in updation and LCD display or key on the 4-to-4 keypad and are regularly and show correctly on the LCD. 2. Keyinized the keypad library in sequence, keypad heading, and the this is the library makes LCD controller to see to forward the compilation for us libraries in the quickly development on interactive hardware. Sadly, the last is application extension. This code can be extended to building password systems, menu organization, or content input directed by ending call for key combats are non-precision direction. So this is my homework. Thank you for your listening.